they wouldn't have dared. They thought that killing Nneka would bring them to satisfaction. But I stand today to confess, Nneka is what I ordered versus what I got in a wife. Nneka is a prayer answered in a wife. Her coming into this family is a testament that she is an embodiment of peace. Oburo maka na ọnọrọzi. No aka na mewoko olileanya na miracle ame na mgbe Jesus ka nwekwa ike ime taa. Because Lazarus was laid to rest 4 days in the grave, and Jesus called him forth.
Oh, Shakalabasa. Father, you are worthy. Father, you are worthy. Yes, sir. Father, we give you all the thanks. Yes, sir. Father, we give you all the praise. Yes, sir.
From GGM Otwacha here with us. Sir, you are very welcome, sir. We are glad to have you. He took the opening prayers. We also have with us Pastor Dr. Ben Okoronko. You are very welcome, sir. We have so many great men seated here with us today. All the elders from the headquarters church, we celebrate you all. All the deacons from the headquarters church, we celebrate you all. All the deaconesses from the headquarters church, we celebrate you all.